Hi, good morning. This is SatchiScape. Welcome to my channel. And here I am providing the HTML, UI, UX, and graphics artwork, how to work for the freshers and the experienced person also. So today is my motto to make the program called match height. What is match height? Match height is like something like two component, like in the row there is two column. Suppose one is 5 lines and another is 2 lines, so is having issues of the line height. So what for that we are making the match height programs in the JavaScript itself. The match height, both if we are using the match height programs, it will acquire the same line height. If you have a 3 lines, if you have a 5 lines, doesn't matter. It will take the more lines for the small lines. So what happen in that case? We have to use such match height JavaScripts. For that you have to go to my website. It's called SatchiScape.com. There I have given lots of articles, and there you have to go to the match height sections, and you have to download the match height. To download, it will open in the Dropbox. I have shared my files in the Dropbox. There you have to download the Dropbox files, and it will open like a RAR file in your systems like this. Okay, so when you are finding this RAR file, you have to extract the RAR files and open in the Notepad++ or the Dreamweaver, wherever you are having this HTML editor files. So I am using Notepad++. Sometimes Dreamweaver is depend upon. So you have to open this match height. It will open like this. I've already downloaded, that's why, because it's showing the file, everything is downloaded to customize the videos. When you open the HTML file, it will show like this. So here you can see the bootstrap mean, which is we are using for the new trend technology. We are using the bootstrap format, and the foundation for the icons. And there you can see the SatchiScape, which is the custom file CSS, wherever you can write your own custom files. And in the down you will see the Java bootstrap mean, and the jQuery library.js is like a supportive files for bootstrap. In the down I have given the jQuery.matchHeight JavaScript. That's it. You have to implement the same as it is, whatever I have given for my HTML file. So there you can see I have given one image class here, and this image class I have defined in a style sheet, custom style sheet, and here I have given a name called image and image for the each. You can see the both image. It will appear. Now you can see the both image. The both image is consisting if one is the 4 lines, another is like a 6 lines, but both background you can see the balance equal. Why? Because I have given the image for the one block and the second for the image. So both is taking by the JavaScript. It will take the same like you can see we are making the news channel. In the news channel we have 3, 4, 5, 6 thumbnails. Suppose one having a 2 news, another having a 4 news. What will happen? Okay, so in the backend in the CMS we are giving suppose we are categorized like in the thumbnails, after 3 news the dot will come. But some news having a 2 lines. What will happen? Some news having a 1 lines. What will happen? So 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 lines. So it will distract your site. So that we are using the match height. For the match height, it will consider only the 3 lines. So if you are having a 2 lines, automatically it will take the line height. So for that you can see I have given an image here, and in the JavaScript I have mentioned image. Is just like I have given. You can give anything related to your work. So there you can give like a image1, image2. So if I am going to give image1 and I have defined their image, what will happen? You can see the line distracted. You can see that both block is coming, one is small, another is bigger. So it is not right. So that you have to define the image as both are the same. For the background color I define in my SatchiScape, which is the custom style. I can show you. It's very easy. I didn't define because I didn't open the CSS because I didn't define so much. These are the general CSS I have defined for everything. So you can see PT, MB, MT, which is MT is margin top, MB is, I've defined. You can use for your project also. It's very useful. And you see in the down, I have defined image, background EE and padding 0, which is showing in your page. So basically match height is very useful for you guys. You can use the thumbnail without any issues. Minimum I defined is for me when I was a beginner is very hectic for me. Now this is solved and you can use for your project. So if you like my videos and you like my programs, so you can comment, and below you can like my channel and subscribe, like my video. Below you can like my videos and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can find out the new trend videos about the new technology and the new artwork. So thank you guys, stay safe, take care, bye bye.